Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll get to know more about phrasal verbs, the uses, and of course, some examples. So let's start with the definition of phrasal verbs. When two words or three used together to form meaning, this combination is called a phrasal verb. So the verb use is combined with a preposition such as away, over, off, or an adverb like up, down, etc. Now without further ado, let's dive in. So the first phrasal verb is look after. Look after. It means take care of someone. For instance, we can say, it's hard work looking after a newborn all day. Take off. Take off means to begin flight. To begin flight. For example, the rocket will take off in 4 hours. Or you can say the plane will take off in 4 hours. Also, take off has another use, which is to remove clothing or things. As you can see here in this picture, you can see a lady took off her coat or jacket. It's so hot today. Let me take off my jacket. Take off. Take off. Hang up. Hang up. It's to put something on a hook or a hanger. For example, the women hang up their coats and sat down. The women hang up their coats and sat down. Well, there is another use of it, which is to end a phone conversation. So once you finish your conversation, you hang up. Hang up. Let me show you what I mean. Please hang up the phone. Please hang up the phone. Next we have give up. Give up. It's to stop or quit doing something. As an example given here, you can say, I give up studying math because it's difficult. Give up. Give up. Fight off. Fight off. It means to resist an illness. Such as this picture, basically he's fighting off a virus. I'm trying to fight off this virus. I'm trying to fight off this virus. Next we have ask after. Ask after. What does it mean? So it means to ask for information about someone. For instance, we can say, did she ask after me in the reception? Break up. Break up. So looking at this picture, you can see obviously that they're ending their relationship. So it means to end a relationship. She broke up with her boyfriend. She broke up with her boyfriend. Run out of. Run out of. It's to finish the supply of something. For example, you ran out of something in your house, like milk, butter, bread. He ran out of gas. He ran out of gas. Now we have run after. Run after. It's to chase someone or something. Look at the first picture. Who doesn't know Tom and Jerry? So Tom runs after Jerry. And in the second picture, we have the man is running after the bus. The man is running after the bus. Next, there is wipe out. Wipe out. It's to destroy something completely. It's to destroy something completely. For example, the house was wiped out by the owner. The house was wiped out by the owner. The following phrasal verb is get together. Get together. It's to spend time together. Spend time with your favorite people. So, the whole family usually gets together at the weekend. Cut down. Cut down. It's to kill or cut trees. This is a sad picture to look at. Okay, let me give you an example. The rainforest is being cut down. The rainforest is being cut down. Let's move on to the next one, which is go off. Go off. It's to explode. The house went off because of some electricity problems. Went off is the past simple of go off. Die out. Die out. It's to stop existing. Stop existing. Like dinosaurs. The dinosaurs died out about 65 million years ago. Die out. Take in. Take in. It's to comprehend something or to understand something. For instance, I didn't take in much of the teacher said. Take in. Take in. Next, there is pass out. Pass out. It's to faint or to lose consciousness. It's to faint or lose consciousness. As you can see in the picture, the man passed out from the heat. Pass out. And lastly but not least is look up to. Look up to. It's to respect or admire someone like your father or teacher. Have a look at this one. I look up to my father because he's my hero and idol. Look up to. Thank you for watching. I hope that you had a great time learning the phrasal verbs. Make sure to practice and see you in the next video.